Hello Adobe Express users, want to add a cool caption to your project? Let me show you how to do it in just few taps. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Express and start a new project or open an existing one. Once you are in, tap on the text tool to add a new text box. Now simply type your caption. It could be something witty, fun, or a simple description, whatever fits your design. To make your caption stand out, resize the text box and adjust the font size. You can also choose different fonts, colors, and effects to make the caption more stylish and fit the theme of your design. Once your caption is in place, you can even add a background shape or adjust the opacity of the text for a more professional look. And that's it, you have added a catchy caption to your design. Now you are ready to share or download it. If the caption doesn't look quite right, try adjusting the font size or color to make it more visible against the background. What's the best caption you have ever used in the design? Share it in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.